Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the windshield washer pump fuses relays are located on Jeep Grand Cherokee right here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools and diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The windshield washer pump, which fuses relays we need to check, come to show you on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee here. Guys, depending on which year and model we have, you may have up to 2 different types of fuse boxes. We'll cover both. We'll talk about both. What we need to do, open the hood. When you face the engine on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, on the left side is the main engine fuse box. Open that cover. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here for year 2014 to 2022. And this is year model 2011 to 2013. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And here, guys, specifically what we need to check, coming this way, we need to check, guys, first fuse J20, okay, and J20, guys, will be this fuse right here, and J21. These two fuses will need to be checked. Now, if you have a 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, the fuse that you will need to check specifically for that is fuse F25, right here. That you will, guys, need to check F25. You don't have relays. The relay function, most likely it's controlled by the BCM body control module. So if you still have problems with the wipers or the washer pump, you may want to check fuses and relays for the BCM module. If you guys do not know where they're located, we'll have the video on the channel. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save as much money as we can. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.